Simran, did you have taken that snapshot of this text chat box? You need to keep the
Yes, sir, I have
attendance,
done.
na? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
fine, fine. Acha. I think you do not have any other question regarding this marks distribution. So let us come back to our discussion points on these NTA questions patterns and all those, because today is a lab class, I know, but still means I do not have that situation to show you something because my laptop is not right now working. I have a charge in my mobile phone. I can talk with you. I can discuss many of the things with you, but I cannot show anything else. Means I cannot share my screen so that as the laptop is not open right over here. What I'm basically telling that if I just go back for the discussion of the MTA exam means are you ready for the questions? What exactly you are basically going to give in the MTA exam regarding this particular syllabus in the data structure and algorithm? How many of you are basically feeling insecure that the exam will be very tough? You can raise your hand. Almost all. It's very dangerous. But I have given you the sample question. You have basically appeared for the quiz and you have told that the quiz was very good. More or less 7 to 8 question was normal, and we can answer those questions. Then
Sir, that was on
means if you are
complexity. What?
no means the major means I have basically given the syllabus complexity and array, nothing else. Complexity and array. Are you comfortable with complexity? First,
Yes,
means I am basically trying to sense you. Actually, means are you okay with complexity questions?
yes, sir.
You are okay with the complexity question, and most of you are actually okay with the complexity question. Then I don't think that it would be very much hard for you. Means on my question, what exactly I'll be sending for the MT exam, it would be uh, means would it be act as per the same standard what exactly you have given in the quiz. So, so if the situation is restored, okay, much in a much better condition, will it be helpful for you if you just go for a mock quiz? Means that would be a very similar to your MTA. Will you be interested to give that on the Saturday or this Saturday?
Yes, sir.
All of you means the most Simran, is it the answer for Kuasha is giving the answer? Is it the all for all of you?
So we
Yes,
cannot say
sir.
about all
Means
right, but sir,
But
we cannot say like
I'm
multiple
basically
sir.
my proposal is that my proposal first listen my proposal. What I'm basically giving you the proposal I'm giving, it is not actually the actual quiz. Means it would not be graded. There will be no such marks or nothing will be added to somewhere else. It would be a mock test. Are you getting me? It would be a mock test so that you will be much more familiar with those questions which might be coming, and or which those of which actually will be of very similar to that question what exactly you are going to face in your MTA. That is what I am telling.
Yes, sir.
Then it would be helpful, na? I think so.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hopefully you will have this quiz, this mock quiz on Saturday at the scheduled time. Okay, you'll be getting a mail.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there will be a link. Okay, you just open in that particular time 10:30. I think 10:30 is the time at which you will be able to come and sit for the exam. Okay, this mock test and give that test. It would be similar to that 10 questions and 30 minutes question. Okay, simply that would be 10 question, 30 minutes.
so make it
Acha,
20 now. So make it 20. So make it 20.
20.
At least it will help us to know like yeah, that will
More
be the like
question.
it will be a mock test like yeah sir. Make it 20.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
will be very
20,
helpful.
20. Very good, very good. Okay, 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 okay. Definitely, I will do that thing. Okay, so it would be 20 question, and possibly that would be on these two topic. What exactly we have basically prepared for your MTA examination. We have decided array and complexity. That would be belong to that particular set. And after the and that would be acha, MTA is 30 minutes, na? MT is designed for 30 minutes, right?
Sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So make it in 30 minutes, 20 question. Okay. Keep that particular same concept, and that would be a mock. Okay. So I'll do it for you. Okay. So 20 question, 30 minutes, and 10:30 to 11. That would be your exam schedule in mock test schedule. Okay. And Simran, you take the responsibility that you will inform the others. Means whenever I will be mailing, means it might be the little bit of late. So before that, you will be trying to inform the others. Okay. So that they can get that information that there will be a mock test, mock quiz. Use the term mock, but might be they might be in panic because before the MTA there is again an exam. It would not like that. It is simply a mock test which will help you to give the exam in your MTO. Okay, so that is what exactly I am telling. Okay, fine. One more thing. One more thing. That I'm basically planning for ESA, means as they have that means guideline that it would be a 60 marks question, 60 minute. So you people do one more thing, means 60 marks question, 60 minute. I think you would have understood what exactly I'm trying to say. That means in 1 minute, one question. Okay, 1 minute, one question. So it's bit tough. Okay, bit tough. So what exactly you will be doing? We'll be giving 10 minutes for 10 question or 15 minutes for 15 question. Like that kind of mock test I'll be preparing for you, because giving means if it is, I'm not sure 60 marks question, 60 minutes, possibly it is an online exam. Okay, I'm not sure because that is not defined, but I'm basically trying to guess that. So let me tell you one very important thing. Giving in exam in offline mode, writing the answer for 3 hours is different, and giving 60 marks question, 60 marks question, 60 marks might be the 2 marks question also be there if it is a bit difficult one. So 30 question might be okay, 30 question in 60 minutes. I think this is not very easy for you. This would be a bit tough. So you need to go for some kind of practice. Okay, not only learning the topic, learning the thing, and reading the book will not help you. It would be very helpful if you go for this test like this, mock test like things. So I am going to plan some mock test on theory topic. Means in like your MTA. Before MTA, what exactly I'm going for mock quiz. That would be on the same schedule, same method I will be applying for. Okay, so 10 question, 10 minutes. Okay, that would be our plan. Okay, so up to that is okay. Now I come for your attendance. Okay, MTA, ESA. Basically, possibly you have basically given you idea that what exactly we are going to plan, what exactly we are going to do. Okay, all these things. But what about the attendance? I think all of you will be telling that how the attendance marks will be counted when this many number of people are actually able to join this class, and many of you are unable to join the class. Okay, so that's a difficult situation, that's a difficult issue actually. I'll be telling, but possibly you need to we need to think about the attendance also. Some people are not attending the